Let's go to our next game, guys. Versus. How this game works is very simple. I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. You guys have to buzz in. This is again a buzz round. You have to buzz in and tell me what the song is. You don't need to ask yourself the question this time. You can just shout out the answer. Okay? Why the second verse, you might ask? The second verse of any song is the least heard part of that song.
Right.
Like if you listen to radio, they'll skip the second verse very often. If you listen to music yourself, you move on to after the first verse, like, haan, theek hai, ho gaya. A DJ doesn't even know a second verse exists. So that's where the second verse of the song comes in. I'll read out the lyrics.
Bro, trust me, you hit me with the first verse also, I'll give you the same answer.
You tell us the chorus.
Even then we will be like...
What song is this? Darde Discos?
What song?
Alright, cool. So, easy enough. Let's go.
Yeah.
The first song is... The lyrics of the first song are as
Yeah,
follows.
yeah.
You can change the buzz, you can keep the buzz the same, whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay? The
Yeah.
lyrics of the second verse of this first song are as follows. आओ मिल जाए हम यूं कि फिर ना हो जुदा. Never gonna let you go, girl. Never gonna let you go, no, no, no. ना हो कोई फासले, ना हो दूरियां. Never gonna let you go, girl. Never gonna let you go, no, 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 no. Yes, sir.
Never gonna get a man.
No, sorry, buddy. I like your R's getting lesser every time.
It's on you now. You can do this.
Never gonna let you go, girl.
Yes, you got it.
No,
I'll read it
so
again.
good.
Wait, you got it. Okay. Thank God you got it wrong. No, you got it wrong again. Thank you. So you can't take a guess, Abhish, now till the hints round because you've already taken one. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Bluff Master?
Yes, which song? आओ
that
मिल जाए
song?
हम यूं कि फिर ना हो जुदा. Never gonna let you go, girl.
ओ मिल जाए हम यूं कि फिर ना हो जुदा.
Never gonna let you go, girl.
Ah,
Never gonna let you go. No, no,
Little
no,
creepy, I think,
no. ना हो कोई फासले, ना हो दूरियां. Never gonna let you go, girl.
Unless you wanna go.
Never gonna let you go.
Correct.
I'll respect your wishes
No,
then.
no.
2025.
Come on. And then what comes? What are the next lines?
Come to me. भूल जाए.
Yes, that's fair. Totally fair. Come to me is the
Yeah,
alternative.
nice.
I would also have accepted right here, right now. Hey, Kushi.
Right here, right now, yeah.
But fair, totally fair.
Alright.
Abhish gets, Tarang gets full 5 there. Very good.
I love that rap. Yeah.
Very good. Have you guys both seen the movie? Both seen Buffmaster?
Yeah, it's an incredible
Great
film. I
movie.
love
Great
it.
movie.
What happens in it?
He bluffs people.
And he's a master of it.
Bluffing.
Nice, dude.
But at the end, he gets bluffed, which is happening, and then he realizes how he shouldn't bluff. Then announcement for part 2.
Yeah.
I think you saw a poker game. I think.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I really like this song. I've heard the hip hop mix of that song also, where Abhishek Bachchan does some
Oh, no.
weird stuff at the end also. Hey, to a player with
Yeah,
HD, you play speed.
Yeah, isn't that the only version?
That's the only one. That is the only one. Yeah, that's the
Oh, that's the only. Then
Yeah.
I've heard the only
Yes,
version.
You heard a part of the song which had hip hop in it.
Alright, cool. That was 5 for Tarang. Let's go to the next one. It's late at night. I'm still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take.
This is Antariksh's
I-
text.
It's late at night. I'm still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take. I got my eyes closed. Never pray. Now I know that's one big mistake. Yes, that's it. If you don't get it, I can read, but no,
it's
I would like
a
not to.
Bollywood song?
It's a Bollywood song. 100%. And the fact that you have to ask that is kind of a hint as to what song.
Oh,
it is.
I know.
Yes.
This movie to fir wahi hoga na, Ticket to Hollywood.
No, it's not
No.
that song.
What?
Yeah, but no, not that song. Please don't help. Tarang, anything?
Can you
I
repeat
will-
that?
So if you don't get it at this point, I will go half for half, which is half sing each of these lines for half the points.
I can't
Yeah, you
do-
can half sing only.
You can half sing.
Okay, but Tarang, do you? I can only half sing. Correct. Tarang, but you have any guess to throw out because there are no negative points right now.
What is an English lyric song?
It's late at night. I'm still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take. I got my eyes closed. Never pray. Now I know that's one big mistake.
So one should pray.
I think the chorus must be in Hindi. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in a way.
No
Like
idea.
the chorus is part Hindi, part English.
Oh,
Part Hindi, part English.
Okay, cool, cool. One second.
no, I have no idea.
Okay, so half for half then is as follows. It's late at night. I'm still wide awake.
Hey, Gara.
Half for half. Half singing these lines. What, I'm gonna just sing the whole thing? Am I crazy? It's late at night.
Different
I'm
key.
still wide awake. Babe, this is far more than I can take. I got my eyes closed.
What?
Never pray.
Oh!
Yes. Who went first? Who went first? Abish.
Is that blue song?
Yes.
का,
One Love.
मैंने देखा
Yes.
शान गा रहा है ना
Yes,
इसमें
correct.
वाह बीच में आलाप भी
Yes,
आता है ना
correct.
yes
But कौन सा गाना है?
ये words में ना
Tarak just helped you. And you missed what he heard.
ये
What he
कौन सा
said.
गाना है?
कौन सा गाना है?
कौन सा
Okay, then.
गाना
No.
है?
He said the words.
Oh, One Love.
Yeah, so Tarang gets it.
What?
Yeah, 2.5 for Tarang, 2.5. Very cool, very cool.
I'm noticing how I'm alley-ooping and you're
Yeah.
He just set up punchline.
I feel like your banter charities towards me only.
All right, let's go. This is very fun, guys. We go one more, a couple more at least. हर घड़ी नजर में है.
Hey.
Let me just tell you, you're definitely wrong. if you're guessing at
knew
हर
what you were
घड़ी,
saying.
the song you're singing is definitely not it.
Okay,
I know what everyone knows what song you're thinking of. That's not it. Let me say your guess.
Please continue.
Okay. Abhi's just so happy, like, oh, I know this
This
first
is
two
easy.
words, bro. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. Abhish, is this the song?
You got me at हर घड़ी.
हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा.
Isn't that the lyrics?
Okay.
हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं है बस में दिल ये मेरा. Then it repeats. हर
बस-
घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं है बस में दिल ये मेरा.
बस में दिल?
Yes, correct. It's like it's in a car now, not in a bus.
This is a Shivneri
बस
team.
में दिल.
Yeah, correct. Okay, if you can't get it, for no minus points, I will read 4 more lines also. But at this point, any guesses at all?
I give up.
I have a good guess on हर घड़ी.
Guesses, we know, Abhish, we know.
Not that one.
Okay, I will then read 4 more lines. I'll read the lines I already did, and then 4 more in addition to that.
And watch us not get it then also. But go
Oh,
on.
I think you could possibly. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. It would be crazy if again I said हर घड़ी and again I was like every single time he falls for it. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ तेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं है बस में दिल ये मेरा. तू मेरी तन्हाई, तू ही मेरी महफिल है. तू मेरी बेताबी, तू ही मेरा कातिल है.
तू ही मेरी दर्द है, मेरा है, तू ही मेरी बस है.
Sorry, bro.
दिल में, तू ही मेरी बस
Sorry.
है. दिल में,
Everybody!
for effort. Isn't that तू ही मेरी?
No, you're wrong. But yeah. But see, in a way, yes, the same lyrics are repeated in every single song. So you're not that far off.
What do you
Tarang, you have anything?
Say that तू ही मेरी part again.
Yeah. तू मेरी तनाई, तू ही मेरी महफिल है. तू मेरी बेताबी, तू ही मेरा कातिल है.
No idea.
Okay. Should I throw it to the audience?
Yeah, please.
Throwing it to the audience.
Oh.
जज जाएगी जा मेरी आशिकी
मैं
मैं तेरी.
तेरी.
जज
जाएगी जा मेरी.
Hello,
I
play
just
the
remember-
lyrics.
I just remembered I forgot to half sing. Sorry, guys.
Yeah.
Forgot to half
Yeah. I thought.
sing. So full points for the audience.
But how does this lyric go?
Okay, it goes. हर घड़ी नजर में है चेहरा सिर्फ मेरा. क्या करूं मैं अब नहीं
Oh, it
है बस
changes
में
here.
दिल ये मेरा.
At least
टेंग,
1 point.
टेंग, 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 टेंग. तू मेरी तन्हाई, तू ही मेरी महफिल है.
What?
तू मेरी बेताबी,
Say what?
तू ही मेरा कातिल
Bluff
है.
master.
तू ही मंजिल मेरी. आशिकी में तेरी
Yeah.
जज जज जाएगी जा मेरी
Who's your daddy now?
मैं तेरी
I'm your
if anyone's
daddy
getting
now.
what I'm doing here,
Saying hello to my player Ritesh.
chin dimple. That's Upen Patel. He has the biggest chin dimple
Oh yes, Upen Patel.
of humanity. Yes. Okay, very good. That was very good. That was full pints with you.
Wow, well done.
Very
But
cool.
I must say that the
Yes.
first line of what you sang sounded very similar to first line of what I sang.
Yeah.
So one would
I
say
think-
that how would you know that if I wasn't going to sing this song?
Yeah, it's a possibility. I think that's how he created the song. He started
Yeah.
singing
So-
Har Ghadi Hai, and then he went
Yeah,
into the
correct.
yeah.
This is
You have to make a new song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, exactly. The problem is that these are lyrics of the second verse, and your song starts with Har Ghadi Badal Rahi.
Hello, it doesn't start with Har Gadi.
It starts with doo-doo.
Those are all lyrics. They wrote TNG, TUNG,
Alright. Cool. Let's go. Next one. मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. सपना मेरा सपना तू ही अरमान है मेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी ओ रानी. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी ओ जानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी.
It inspires me to a lot of like कर तुम आशिकी तन मेरी कर कर जानेगी मांगेरी.
We just
Sing out
heard
the
that.
lyrics.
Oh,
It'll be like that only.
wow, I think, yeah, you think I would repeat the question right after that?
Oh, was the previous song?
That was just we just sang the entire song.
Why would you do it again, man?
Yeah,
Please
maybe it's
continue.
like, yeah, Antriksh is lazy, dude.
Or I forgot the previous song. Is the previous song you sing?
We just sang this whole song.
I was like, I know which song you were singing.
Aashiki mein teri.
Okay, please continue. Tarang has a good chance on this. I believe in it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Correct.
Should I read the lyrics
Yeah,
again?
please do it.
मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. सपना मेरा सपना तू ही अरमान है मेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी ओ रानी. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी ओ जानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी.
ओ जाने जाना ढूंढे
Sorry,
तुझे
buddy.
दीवाना. No.
Sorry, buddy. I'll go half for half.
Okay.
Half sing three lines. So
Yeah.
both of you are again can take a guess
Alright.
again. Okay. ओ मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. सपना मेरा सपना तू ही अरमान है मेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी ओ रानी. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी ओ जानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी.
From this, it sounds like there are at least 7 people involved in singing this song.
Oh, someone clears their throat also during the song. Is nice, dude.
But that's what a great impression that is.
Yeah.
You don't even know the singer, though.
I feel like this is in Laksh, right? No.
Are you mad? Yeah, he's so stupid. No, he's not getting anything only.
Because they have the duet song there. In Laksh, there is a duet song. no?
But there are duets in every what?
That's
That's
when
the only duet that exists.
Yeah.
That's the only duet. No, that's not it. But if you guys want to take a wild guess, also you can. There are no negative points.
I think we both took 2 wild guesses.
think-
Oh, you did?
I can take another wild guess if you
You
want.
I don't think you're gonna get it.
You're so aashiki.
You just sang it, man.
Man, Abhish, that's the third time, right?
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Okay, we just throw to the audience. Yeah. The song is Dil Mangda Hai, Dil Mangda Hai, Dil Mangda Hai, Dildar Soniye, Tu Aanda Soniye, Aanda Soniye.
That
Aanda
Aanja Soniye I've heard.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
I would have
Chorus
been here for the next year paying rent, still wouldn't have gotten this song.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
But you've heard the song, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Aanja Soniye on very dance floors.
So how it goes is मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. So like अरे मुझ पे हाँ मुझ पे कुछ तो एहसान है तेरा. लिख दे प्रेम कहानी हो जानी. लिख दे प्रेम कर दे प्रेम दीवानी हो जानी. कर दे प्रेम दीवानी. प्यार से कर ले प्यार से कर ले करा सोनिए तू आंध सोनिए
Sounds like a lot of people are pushing him. प्यार मेरा भाई.
Last.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're killing it so far, huh? Just
Yeah.
letting you know.
Very good.
Yeah.
What an episode up till now.
Thanks.
Amazing.
High scores, highest.
Yeah. The last one in this game we will do is as follows. तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता इश्क में हर पल मज़ा है इश्क धड़कन का नशा है
इश्क में हर पल मजा है इश्क धड़कन का नशा है
Hello. This randomly you're just saying.
इश्क
anything.
इश्क भी तो दिया है कैसे कैसे ऐसे कैसे कैसे कैसों को
Man, everyone thought you had gotten it, right? Everyone thought you had gotten it.
Yeah, even I thought you got it.
कैसे को कैसे कैसों को
खो दिया है ऐसे वैसों को
It's a
Yeah.
Go
But I
back.
can't remember the
Okay, I'll read the lyrics again. तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता so that repeats and then after that it is
oh lift करा दे
oh
That's
no
what you-
what?
we got what you were saying but you were wrong dude
oh
yeah.
then why are they going back and forth and
No because the tune you had somehow gotten was kind of
That's what I was saying.
realm.
You're generically just
Yes.
saying stuff, okay?
correct it was the whole har ghadi happened
Are we
Absolutely.
separated at birth?
Okay. So the
Second verse,
the
yeah.
last 4 lines again are as follows, which is इश्क में हर पल मजा है
इश्क में हर पल मजा है इश्क में है तूफान
Yes.
इश्क में है बड़ा इश्क में है वादा इश्क में है
यारो, आओगे
इश्क में है वादा
इश्क की दुनिया
इश्क में है
देखो गाना ये ना गाना ये देखो ये गाना है इश्क में कैसे हाय
इश्क में सबदा क्या कहे
मैं हूँ ना
Same lyrics again.
बर बैठा
it's a different song
Then why are you uploading on that wrong?
they keep cheering our wrong guesses
Inflated ego. Okay, so
You're wrong.
did I sing the same song?
different one
both of you were wrong
Different, no, at least back
I'll go
up.
half for half now guys okay half for half for these lyrics are as follows
yeah
तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता Nice. बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो
खता
थैंक यू तन्हा कोई कभी जी ना सके सबको यहाँ है पता यस बेखबर अजनबी मेरे दिल ने जो की तू भी कर ले हंसी वो खता इश्क में हर पल मजा है इश्क धड़कन का नशा है इश्क की गलियों में आके घूम
oh झूम बराबर झूम
You guys are wild, dude.
they were right about the audience beating us
You okay?
yeah
Yeah, so close no matter how far. Yes.
I feel like I was onto something
I mean, if not Zoom, it could be some other word.
धूम बराबर धूम
पता
धूम मचा ले
Once more, come on, you people.
मचा ले
Doom masale, doom masale, doom masale.
धूम धूम धूम
I know. I'm just whatever works, man. In the moment, it's all good.
This
But yes,
is
this is
Aishwarya-
the first Doom ka song.
Aishwarya oh first
No, this is the Isha
Tata
Deol.
Young.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
That was the end of the greatest versus we ever had. Very cool, man. First, I must say, what a matchup. Tarang, Abhish, unimaginable. Unimaginable.
Yeah. Best of the best.
Yeah.
I like that Abhish took one line of lyric and made it the entire song. It's great, dude.
Ishq mein. By the way, in the previous one, when you said Tanha, I'm like Tanha. I'm like Abhish, hold your horses.
It's either that or Tanhai.
Tanhai.
That's the only two.
Second song.
Second one.